Hey guys, we're Chad and Ashley, and this is Buddy, and this is ouRVan. And if you watched our last couple of videos, you know that we've been in Yellowstone. We were there for a long time, I think like 12 days to be exact, and so there's a lot of videos, and I hope we didn't bore you too much, but we have hit the road and we are somewhere new. So the plan is to head toward Glacier National Park. So we are heading north, and we are currently in Montana in a town called Butte. So we are going to do a couple of stops along the way, fun stops, and this town is a little interesting. So this used to be one of the richest towns on Earth. So the reason why it was the richest town was because there was a lot of copper and other minerals on this hill. And at one point, I think it was like they made like 51% of the copper in America was from this hill. So super rich town. That was in the 1870s, so a little while back. But yeah, so we're gonna go explore downtown. But first, I want to share with you, we are in a Walmart parking lot. But there's this really cool statue on this hill right next to us. They call her the Lady of the Rockies, and I think it's a 90-foot statue. I think it's supposed to be St. Mary. So we got a picture of it. We're going to zoom in and try to show you. It is a little bit in the distance, but I thought that was really cool. There is a hike to it, but it's super long, and the weather's not going to be great today, so we won't be doing that. But that's okay, because we're going to go check out downtown.
Alright, we've made it into the historic Uptown Butte area, and while we were driving along, we actually found a spot called Visitor and RV Parking. There's not a single other person here. I guess because there's a lot of road parking available that's probably closer, but we came up here anyway. I'm going to put the drone up in the air, one, to hopefully get some shots of the historic downtown area, and two, because we are very close to a place that Butte is famous for, known as Berkeley Pit, which is actually a big lake / just hole filled with water in the ground that's left over from the copper mine that used to be here that we mentioned earlier. And something really interesting about this is that it is the largest Environmental Protection Agency Superfund site in the United States, meaning that this place and this lake is so polluted that it poses a health risk by destroying the groundwater to this entire city area. So the EPA just dumps a ton of money into this area, trying to basically keep the toxins in that lake and not let it spread. It's like 900 feet deep. The pH of the whole lake is 2.5, so it's very, very acidic. And normally the only way to see it is through a tour, and there's a little viewing overlook area you can pay to go see, but not even sure if it's open right now, first of all, and second, we wouldn't pay to go see it, but
It's only $2.
Is it only $2?
I think
Then
so.
we might pay to go see it, but it's probably closed anyway.
Yeah.
So I can put the drone up in the air here, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to fly it all the way over there. Not sure if the range will reach it, but let's see what we can see from up in the air. All right, well, if you saw there in the drone shot, when I panned up from the city, what am I doing wrong? You could see a big, big rainstorm coming. Didn't really check the weather very well. It was actually a very light rain while it was up there flying. So windy that I didn't want to fly too far away either because I'm a little afraid of losing the drone. Just because I like it too much. So we're just gonna take a quick walk from this parking lot here, see what we can see before the rain gets too hard, and then we'll probably roll on out to the next town up the road. But hopefully we can see some stuff worth seeing before the weather kicks us out of here. Looks like this is some of the old mining equipment they used to use. Looks like some sort of pump or something. Maybe there will be a plaque to tell us what it is. Oh, there is. Perfect. All right, and up on one of these plaques, we've got some more Butte facts. Population 34,000, elevation 5,700. Continental Divide goes right around it. And a bunch of things you could do here in Butte. It does look like a fun little town.
I mean, this is real.
What's real?
The 130-year-old byproduct that came from this mill. I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know.
So I guess this, if that plaque is right, is a smelter used to melt down the copper.
This is cool.
It's pretty cool.
Yes, this town does seem to be pretty cool. There are like trolley tours and museums and all the cool stuff, but unfortunately the weather is ruining it for us. So if you ever come here, I definitely think you should check it out. $48 million. Wow.
Well, that's about it for the walking. Now that Buddy is all soggy. So I think we're gonna do a quick little driving tour on our way out, and then you can hold that. I got unlock it. We're gonna do a quick little driving tour on our way out. Just drive through some historic areas, and then we're gonna hit the road, head up to the next major town here in Montana, which is Missoula. And that looks like a bigger town. They've got a bunch of stuff. We're gonna go eat some Costco pizza probably, and find some more fun stuff after that. So let's hit the road. All right, we made it up to the next town, which is Missoula, and we are settled in for the night, doing some parking lot camping here. And we're actually at, where is it? Costco. We actually came here and did a little shopping earlier. Well, food court, Costco food court shopping.
Always a good deal, can't beat it.
Got a pizza, and we got their $5 rotisserie chicken, but that's about all. Taking Buddy on his nighttime walk here. And I don't know if we're gonna do anything in this town here tomorrow. For now, we're just, there's the RV. Taking the trash to this can over here. And yeah, settling in, gonna do the night here. There's actually a ton of options for overnight camping in Missoula here. I don't know why we chose Costco, but it's a nice parking lot. Got a spot right up in the bushes where we can back in. And there were 2 Walmarts you could stay at here. There was a Cabela's that allowed overnight parking. This Costco doesn't specifically state it allows it, but most do. And we've never had an issue staying at one. We've stayed at 3 or 4 on this trip.
Buddy.
Throw this out real quick. Also, there's a Cracker Barrel that we could stay at. We've actually been wanting to stay at Cracker Barrel because we have a gift card and we want to get breakfast there one day.
Yes.
So
I love their pancakes, so
we will do that soon.
yeah.
What else, Ashley?
Just feels good to be back in civilization with all the stores you can possibly want. So I think we might hang out here tomorrow just to enjoy some of those stores. We like walking around. So yeah, I don't know.
Oh, also one other place that was an option for overnight camping here, a place called Barrett's RV and Marine.
Oh, I forgot about that.
That was actually one of the better looking options, and if we stay another night, we might do it there, or Cracker Barrel if Ashley convinces us. But I read on one of the websites where we find free campsites, ouRVander, that they actually offer free electric hookups if you stay there. So if we drive by and get a free electric hookup, might go for that. So if we do anything fun in Missoula, we'll keep you updated on that. Otherwise, we'll catch up with you when we move on. We do have a bunch of fun stuff planned for up the road.
Yes, there is something I'm super excited for, but not going to share it yet.
There's something I'm super excited for that's different from her super excited.
I don't know what you're super excited for.
Yes, you do, because you found it.
I forgot. Yes, that one too.
So, we'll keep you updated. All right, we are still in Missoula. Did our second night last night. First in Costco, second one we did come to the Cracker Barrel. Can't even see it, but yeah, a Cracker Barrel over there. And it's morning now. We're actually gonna go in and eat. Checked out that RV dealer.
Are you talking to me?
Checked out the RV dealer. They had a dump station and water, so we figured we would shower here, hit the RV dealer, look at some RVs maybe, and fill up our water and dump our tank on the way out. So we're taking advantage of our shower, which we don't do very often. Ashley, how's it going in there? Ashley?
I'm naked.
How's it going in there?
It's great.
So I already went once Ashley finishes up. We're gonna go into Cracker Barrel, have some good food, and then probably hit the road later today.
Alright guys, so after we ate at Cracker Barrel, we pretty much just left. By the way, our meal was great. I had pancakes, what I've been thinking about for months, and Chad had steak. Spoiled brat. So, thanks to Chad's mom, we had a gift card, so we got to eat out. And yeah, and then we pretty much hit the road, and we're about, 15 minutes north of Missoula, and we're at a casino. It's called the Great Wolf Casino. We stayed here last night, and something we learned a little while back we haven't really taken advantage of is that most casinos have a player's card, and basically they give you a card and you get free money to play in their casino. So a lot of them give you like $10. This one basically was $10 to $30. I guess it depends what the card felt like, whatever the machine thought, and we both got $10. But what was different about this casino is that if you got the player's card, you also got a campsite. So it's a parking lot, but there is a hookup, so you can have full hookups or I shouldn't say full hookups. You can have electric. So we thought that was a pretty cool deal. It was a little cold last night, so we had to run our heater. It was pretty great. And so with the player's card, we both played $10 and we won, I forgot how much we won. I think we won like $10, right Chad?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we won about like $10. So basically we feel like we got paid to stay here. And it was a fun activity. And it's been raining the past couple of days. So we kind of were killing time because where we are going next is an outdoor activity. So I wanted to make sure the weather was great. And tomorrow it's supposed to be clear and sunny. So I think we're going to head out tomorrow. But we're going to end this video here because it seems like it's getting pretty long. And we're just going to do the stops on the next video. So, like I said, we're going to wrap this video up here, and we'll see you down the road. Thanks for watching. Say bye, bud. Say bye. Say bye to the camera. If we dare.